Have you been looking for a performance SUV with styling that won't break the bank? Take a look at this 2019 Alfa Romeo Stelvio Sprint in Vesuvio Gray. With bi-xenon HID headlamps, black V-Scuduto grille, 19-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, active blind spot assist, front and rear park assist sensors, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 19,000 miles on the odometer, 8.8-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, Alpha DNA drive modes, split folding rear seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6359.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.